Write a song about India. Sure, here's an original song about India, celebrating its diversity, culture, beauty, and spirit. The style is poetic and uplifting, perfect for a modern folk or pop melody. From the peaks of the Himalayas to the shores of Kanyakumari, every step tells a story, every breeze sings our glory. Colors dance in every sunrise, sacred rivers whisper grace, land of sages and dreamers with a million hopeful face. Oh, India, heart of the world, where the past and the future unfurl. In every prayer, every song, you've been standing proud and strong. From deserts wide to oceans deep, your soul is ancient, your spirit leaps. Oh, it's, oh, India, you're in my veins, in your joy, in your pain, you're my home again. From the tablet to the sitar, voices rise like morning light. In the spice of every kitchen, love is cooking day and night. Faiths may differ, hearts unite, under stars that shine so bright. A billion dreams side by side, in your arms we all confide. Oh, oh, India, heart of the world, where the past and the future unfurl. In every prayer, every song, you've been standing proud and strong. From deserts wide to oceans deep, your soul is ancient, your spirit leaps. Oh, leaps. Oh, India, you're in my veins, in your joy, in your pain, you're my home again. From Varanasi's ancient fire to tech towers rising higher, you carry time like a flame, changing yet always the same. Oh, India, heart of the world, let your flag of hope be unfurled. In every child, every name burns your never-ending flame. From every tear to every smile, you make this life so worthwhile. Ooh, oh, India, you're in my soul, the story that makes me whole. You're my home again.